In this guide, you will learn how to check the CPU temperature on Windows 11 or 10. Whether you are concerned about your PC's performance or just curious, it's helpful to know how to monitor your CPU temperature. Start by searching for Taskbar on your PC. Once you open it, you can monitor your CPU and GPU performance. For that, navigate to the section Performance. While Task Manager shows the CPU usage, it does not display the temperature. To check that, launch your preferred browser, navigate to this website, HWInfo. Make sure you are on its official website. Now click on the option Download. Now head over to the section Installer, click on Free Download and select this one exact file that I'm selecting. Now from this list, select Installer, click on it. With that, download process will start. Once it has been downloaded, you will need to install it, so click on it. Click on Next, agree to the terms and condition, select the folder where you wanna install this. Once it has been installed, launch it. When it opens, click on Start and let it examine your system. Once the scan is complete, go to the section Sensors. This will begin monitoring your system and you can scroll down to find your CPU temperatures, including idle and average temperatures. That's it. Now you can monitor your CPU temperature easily. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.